Hey everybody, good morning. Back at the mothership. It's Marathon Mondays with Mal, episode 354 with this beautiful coach behind me. I'm back from the desert. I got a ton of stuff to show you guys today, ton of stuff. So we're going to go all the way around this building today. I'm by myself today, so stick with us. We're going down to the production floor. I'm going to show you a bunch of coaches that are being built, some coaches that are almost finished, some coaches that are about a month and a half off. But this beautiful coach behind me, let's flip it around. You don't want to see my mug. This is one thing I wanted to show you right here. This is a cool thing that our service department in Coburg is doing now. Thank you to our after hours service tech of the week. And of course, Terry Warren, a lot of you guys know Terry, one of our more experienced techs here. What a cool thing to acknowledge our tech that's going to be on the phone. This is a beautiful coach, isn't it? 1382, the latest from Marathon, and a big congratulations to the owners of 1382. This is a cool coach, you guys. Beautiful. And that new cockpit in the H3 from Marathon, fantastic. All right, we are going to go down to the production floor. So stay with us. We're going to look at some awesome coaches today down in production. Hope everyone's having a good Monday morning. I've been down in the desert. We had some amazing events over the last week. So we are going to go down here right past the parts department and check on coaches. All right. A busy Monday here at the mothership. First, right off, you're going to see 1390 right there on your left. This is an X3 double slide that is not spoken for, meaning it's still for sale. A beautiful X3 paint job in red, black, and white, and a floor plan that's about to go in, as you can see. You can see the fiberglass of the dash here. Very cool. And here's a good view overlooking the entire production floor. One of the reasons you're going to want to choose Marathon over other converters is the infrastructure of our company. We've got a lot going on, not just with the 3 locations. 1389. You know what? This is cool. Let me show you this. The black Prevost letters with that gray, it's kind of like a chevron. Look at that. Going right through the black Prevost letters. That's a nifty way to look at that. That's 1389, a H3 double slide in production. As you can see, there's a few walls going up in there. Too cool. Here's a good shot. A lot of you have commented on this paint job right here. 1387. This guy, we're going to walk through this one. This one has about a month and a half left that's my estimate. Flooring is almost done in here. There's that side cabinet right there. Fireplace behind the driver installed. The galley. As you can see, the flooring is done, but we have all the way to the back, it's completely covered.
All right, my turn. After break.
And from this angle, you can actually see the beautiful floor that's going to be going in here. And into the bedroom. Excuse me. Sorry about that. 1387. How about a new shell right there, you guys? There's my man Roy down there. What's up, Roy? Good, brother. One of the best stainless polishers on the West Coast. Family-owned business. Roy, how long have you been, your family has been polishing? Are you second generation or third generation polisher?
It's second generation.
Second generation, that's right. We're live on Facebook.
That's cool.
Yeah, and so you've been coming to Marathon and doing a lot of
My dad started doing this around, it was around the time Marathon started, like 87 or
Okay.
something like that.
Sure.
You know, he was doing it when it was back downtown Eugene. They were renting a big building out there.
Wow.
And yeah, I mean, he was approached by someone who was like, we kind of want to have these coaches polished. My dad had never done it before. He tried it, and one thing led to another, and now we do all of them.
That's fantastic.
And
How?
my brother, my stepbrother, he does the production polishing, so all the accels and all that.
Yes.
I do a bunch of service work. So.
Oh, okay. So your brother's on the production side, and you're on the service side.
Yes.
Awesome. And what about Will, your son? Is he? Do you think he'll be a polisher?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Hopefully, you know, he's in 8th grade and he's playing basketball. And
Awesome.
you know, he just enjoys his schooling. You know.
Good deal. Well, my best to your family, brother. Take care. You too. Roy Anderson, a very good third-party vendor that we use. In fact, my wife knows his wife. They went to high school together. Really cool to be able to see him. He's one of those guys that is trusted to come in and take care. Oh, look at his front end. Wow. All right, you got to see this, you guys. $13.85. Let's get in close on this. I want to show you this texturing. Look at that fade. And then it fades right back into it. Wow. That front end. Isn't that pretty? $13.85. New front end for the H3 with that paint job. Going down the road. Goodness sakes. We're going to just peek inside because I know the crew's in and out of this coach. Oh, they're out of it right now, so we're walking. 2 sofas facing dinette. Bunks. Too cool. Half bath in the rear, king size bed, heated floors throughout, full water closet, shower, and commode on the curbside, double bunks that convert over to a closet on the driver's side, a facing booth dinette right here on the driver's side, dual sofas as you see, and of course, fireplace behind the driver. The new cockpit of the H3. And good morning. We're live on Facebook. Anything to say to the marathon people out there? Hello and good morning. Good morning. This is a beautiful paint job too. And one of the things you see here is this bay has been detailed. Please keep door closed. Thanks to the QA department for these signs. That's one thing that's really cool. This is a beautiful coach, 1384. We're going to peek in here. We're going to not invade the quality control department's work, but bam. And it's like that. More bunks, more sofas. L-shaped dinette in this one, though, but it's a new H also. Couple of bunk coaches down in the quality control department. This is going to be a cool coach to see outside. Look at that. Man, that's going to look so sweet. That's quite the sled. Right next to this one. Whew. All right, we're moving. We're moving. 1388 over on the east side of the production floor. Got some walls going in. Got that shower wall in there for the water closet. Gosh, it's going to be nice. And here's a good spot from the east side, facing the coaches that are over on the west side of the production floor. 1386. A lot of people are excited to see this coach come up and get done. This one is a custom quad. Custom quad getting worked on right now. It takes a lot of time to work on these coaches, you guys. The fit and finish of Marathon cannot be achieved in a short amount of time. See that super bath back there with that opaque wall? Looks like flooring. See these keys that are in here in the floor? That's what they're going to work on all the way down. Some floors take longer than others. This, I bet, is going to be one of those floors that takes a little bit extra time. H3 quad. And it's break time at the mothership. Beautiful sight up here. Everybody taking their break. It's my honor to be able to show off these coaches when I come back from the desert, because I spend a lot of time talking about these coaches down in the desert with a lot of people. Here's that super bath back here. But being able to come in and see what we're doing. Shower right here. This is where the washer dryer is hidden behind the commode. Closet in the rear, double sinks. Yeah, Derek asks a good question. If the super bath can be achieved with bunks, I believe you would have to give something up with the super bath. We were talking about that a couple of weeks ago. A triple slide. I believe, Derek, you know what? I want to say yes. I want to say yes, but you've got to give something up. I think you're giving up your half bath. The whole floor plan is switched. Of course, it would be a custom floor plan to achieve bunks with the super bath, but I think so. And for those of you who were down at the Prevo show down in Florida, hope it was a good show. I've heard a lot of things about the show, so I hope you enjoyed it. Before we get out of here, I'm going to give you that 360 of what we're doing here on the production floor. Very busy time. Very busy time. I'll be looking for some of these coaches to get completed here in the next 4, 5, 6 weeks. 1387 is going to be coming up. A lot of you want to see this paint job outside. I know I do. I've seen it once, but not after it's been cut and buffed. 1386, that quad slide that we were just in. That one is going to be beautiful outside. Of course, that's got the Utah Arches National Park on the rear of it. And I'm going to end this show today with a nice shot of this guy right here. Take a look at that One more time. 1384. How beautiful is that? All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and thank you to everyone at Marathon here, not just in Coburg, but at our other locations, Texas and Florida. If you're looking to get some service, call our service departments at the 3 locations and make an appointment. It's very important to get in and get taken care of. So don't forget to be yourself and do good things. I'm going to get out of here for the Monday. I will see you next Monday on Marathon Mondays. If you are looking to sell your coach, if you're a current coach owner and you want to sell or move into a new coach, feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget, I'm a salesman, not just the video guy. Mal W, M-A-L-W at marathoncoach.com. And if you're looking to get into a new coach, we are going to have one available. Not only do we have a beautiful X3 available that I showed you down in the desert last week, but I'm going to show you that 1390 down there is available and coming up. So beautiful colors on that one. Like I said, be yourself and do good things. Take care of each other, and I'll see you next Monday. See ya.